Hi there, my love. How are ya? Are you doing alright? Hey, what's wrong? Talk to me, baby. I'm here. Shh. It's okay. You can be sad. Just talk to me. I'm here. You're not alone. I'm here. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. Just breathe. Just breathe. It's okay. It's okay. Really. You have nothing to worry about. You're safe. You're safe. I swear. You're safe. It's okay. It's okay. You're safe. Now, just breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe. Talk to me. It's okay. Uh-huh. Okay. How about this? Okay? Taking a deep breath. Just breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it out. Yeah, that's right. Let it out. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. Just breathe. You've got nothing to fear. Listen, I know that the future is scary. Oh, I know, baby. And it can be mortifying sometimes, but it's okay. You're not facing it alone. I'm right here, I swear. It'll be okay. I swear, my love, it'll be okay. I'm right here. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. Breathe, baby, breathe. It's okay. Breathe, my love. It's okay. Remember our song. It's okay. Remember our song. Remember, it's okay. Here comes a thought that might alarm you. What someone said and how it harmed you. Something that happened that failed to be charming. Things that you said, oh, they are suddenly swarming. And oh, you're losing sight, or you're losing touch. Oh, all these little things seem to matter so much that they confuse you, that I might lose you. Take a moment, remind yourself to take a moment and find yourself. Take a moment and find yourself. If this is how we fall apart, but it's not. It's okay. You've got nothing to fear. I'm here. Here comes a thought that might alarm me. What someone said, oh, and how it harmed me. Something I did that failed to be charming. Things that you said are suddenly swarming. And oh, you're losing time. I'm losing touch. Oh, all these little things, they seem to matter so much that they confuse you, that you might lose you. Take a moment to mind yourself, to take a moment and find yourself. Take a moment and ask yourself if this is how we fall apart. But it's not. Oh, I swear it is not. It's okay. We can, they got nothing, got nothing, got nothing to fear. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. It was just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can watch, we can watch, we can watch, we can watch them go by. From here, from here, from here. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. Just breathe. Just breathe. It's okay. I swear. It's okay. It's okay. Just breathe. Just breathe. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. Listen, I know that the future and the uncertainty of the future is scary. And I know that it's not easy to just overcome that fear. And I know that sometimes we can feel alone and feel scared and all of these things, but it's gonna be okay. You're a strong person, one of the strongest I've ever met. Please don't worry. It'll be okay. Have faith in yourself, baby. Have faith in yourself like I have faith in you, and I promise you it will be all okay. You are incredible and you are doing an amazing job. And I'm so proud of you. And I'll always forever be proud of you. No matter what happens, no matter what we go through, we will always be together. I'll hold you and I'll comfort you and I'll always be there for you. Please don't ever forget that. You're an incredible person, a kind, loving, and gentle human being. But baby, please don't spend your days with a troubled soul, filling voids and plugging holes. Let go of what you can't control, and don't spend your days with a troubled soul. For there's no sense, there's no rhyme and no reason to worry about the future or dwell upon the past. Live every day and every month of every season. Own every moment like you're lost. Don't walk your road with a heavy heart, or lose your light out in the dark. For every day's a brand new start. Well, don't spend your life chasing gold, for you only buy what you get sold, and you only have what you can hold. So don't spend your life with chasing gold. Don't live your years with a worried mind over what you lose or leave behind. Oh no, for you only keep what you can find. Don't spend your years with a worried mind. Don't spend your days with a troubled soul, filling voids and plugging holes. Let go of what you can't control. Don't spend your days with a troubled soul. Again, for there's no sense, there's no rhyme and no reason to worry about the future or dwell upon the past. Live every day of every month of every season, oh, and every moment like your last. Yeah. Don't walk your road with a heavy heart, or lose your light out in the dark. For every day's a brand new start. Don't you spend your days with a worried mind. It's okay, I swear. You're safe. You're safe. It's okay. I'm here now, baby. It's okay. Of course, you can rest in my arms. They're yours after all. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. It's okay. I'm here. I promise you're safe. I promise. You're gonna be alright. You'll be alright, baby. I'm right here. Of course, I love you. I will always love you. Forever. Of course, forever, baby. Forever and always, my precious little angel. I will love you. Don't ever think that I don't. Because if you ever think that I don't, then I will keep saying that I love you until it's drilled into your head. I so do adore you, my love. You're incredible, and that will forever be the truth. I love you with my whole heart. You can rest now, it's okay. Of course. You can rest. Yes, of course. You've got nothing to worry about. I'll hold you safe. Until forever? What do you mean, until when will I hold you safe? I'll hold you safe forever. Don't ever think that I'll ever let you go, 'cause I won't. Rest well, my love.